Hey, welcome to Zeno. I will be displaying what each button does in the software. So to kick things off, we are currently in the hamburger menu here. So you can see we have vehicles, customize, drone mode, render, environment, settings, save, load, and quit. We'll start with vehicles. When I click on vehicles, it begins and takes me to the different vehicles available in the software. I can select from the manufacturer at the bottom here to any manufacturer that we currently have in the software. As an example, I can look at Chrysler, I can look at Dodge, I can look at Ferrari, and when I click this, it will bring in any vehicle. As an example, this vehicle is not downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and download this vehicle so I can bring this up and start customizing it. The next button here, Customize, allows me to select any of these features that I would like to customize on the vehicle. We have wraps, wheels, tint, stance, body kits, and Design Studio.